Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. Well, this is me again, Aman. First of all, thank you so much for your love and response that you have given for my channel. It's really amazing. I'm expecting you will keep supporting me so that I will bring more and more videos for you. From today, I'm going to start this important series, Emergency of Sociology. As you all know that it's the foundation and the basics of sociology, and every sociology student should know it. In this video, I will be talking about this Enlightenment period. It was basically one of the important igniters that led the emergence of sociology. Before going further, you may think, what does this enlightenment word mean? It's simply when you became aware of something, when you are awake of something. That's what this enlightenment word mean. So let's see what is here in this video. So the Enlightenment was basically age of reason or intellectual development, which brought significant change in a philosophical thought in Europe in the 17th and the 18th century. Let me make you understand what was the structure of the society and what was happening in a European society before this Enlightenment period. People were really so illogical, irrational, illiterate, and there was this religious dogmatism. And they were believing in superstitious things. Blind faith was there, and this period was considered as a dark age. And let me tell you, religion was everything for them. It was cornerstone of that society. You could imagine. And they were seeing everything with the point of a religion, judging everything with the point of a religion. यहाँ पे मैं बोलना चाहूँगा, वहाँ पे क्या होता था, अगर कोई बीमार भी होता था ना, बोलते थे कि इसने ज़रूर कुछ गुनाह और पाप किया होगा, तभी इसको अब गॉड पुनिश कर रहा है। तो वो उसे अपने हाल पे छोड़ देते, ना कोई दवाई देते, ना उसे कोई मतलब पूछता था, ना उसे कोई मदद करता था, वो फिर वैसे ही मर जाता। सो दैट्स हाउ दिस ब्लाइंड फेथ वाज देयर। But at the same time, there were also some people who were basically educated, like Rousseau, Montesquieu. They started talking about reason, science, logic, and slowly people started getting influencing by them. And what happened after this enlightenment period came, this marked a radical change from the existing philosophies of federal Europe. And the social and moral orders were no longer considered as a divinely ordered and a sacrosanct. Like I mentioned here, there were all these beliefs and customs, and these beliefs were overthrown, and they were no longer considered as a sacred, as important. And overall, enlightenment was characterized by the belief that people could comprehend and control the universe by means of reason and empirical research. Like I will give you here another example. जैसे कि वहाँ पे पोवर्टी था। पोवर्टी को क्या समझते थे? वो समझते थे इट्स अ नेचर फिनोमेना। हम इसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते, गॉड की तरफ से हैं। बट एज दिस पीरियड केम, what happened, people start getting that no, it's a social problem. We could tackle it. हम इसे कम कर सकते हैं. So this was all about this enlightenment period. And I have given here some features of enlightenment. These are really important. इनसे questions आते हैं. So ये आप देख लीजिएगा. This will be definitely helpful for you. I have given here also a net FAQ. It's also important here. Who has made distinction between normal and pathological function? क्या ये टैलकेट पर्सन है, क्या ये रेडली ब्राउन है, क्या ये इमाइल दुर्खैम है, क्या ये ब्रोंसली मेलिनोस की है? इसका आपको करेक्ट आंसर देना है कमेंट्स में. ये हमने पहले ही किया है. आई विल सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल गिव मी अ करेक्ट आंसर. और देयर इज आल्सो माय चैनल at Telegram. There are almost thousands of PYQs that I have shared in that channel. अगर आप वो ये ज्वाइन करोगे, I'm sure you will definitely crack this NET exam, and all these PYQs will be definitely fruitful for you. This was all about this video. Thank you. If you like this video, do share the video and subscribe my channel. That will be so sweet of you. Thank you.